Valentine's. Having my coffee here, making breakfast, and this is my coffee tumbler. I'm about to have some breakfast here and gonna watch some Valentine's Day movies, videos on Hulu. This is my neighbor's cat, but my neighbors moved out, and before they moved out they were looking for their cat. They even had a poster for a reward if anybody found their cat, but they never was able to find their cat. So my neighbor moved out, and this cat has just been coming in and out of my front porch and been sitting on my bench here. It's cold here right now because we're gonna have a snowstorm. There she is. So I decided to buy her some cat food so that way she wouldn't starve. Sometimes I see her go across the street on our neighbor's trash trying to look for food. So today I went and bought a cat food, put it in a Tupperware container and left it on the bench because I know she's always going on our bench here, sleeping on there. Okay, this is our front yard where my porch is at, and the whole entire road, street, cul-de-sac is covered with snow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the trees. Snowing a lot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you on the other side of our backyard. We have a very big backyard. Okay, this is part of our backyard. It's on the other side of the house. We have a very big backyard. Look at all the trees. And look at all the snow just coming down. That's our neighbor's house right there. But yeah, we have a very big backyard. We have a fence, which is good because it keeps the deer from coming into our backyard. Look at that. Look at how the snow is just falling. Okay. I've put down all of my Valentine's decor. Look at that. It's so nice and bright outside because of the snow. So I still gotta put that pillow away. I wanted to show you the flowers. I put it in the vase. It's those small yellow roses picked from Dollar Tree. But yeah, all the decors are down from the fireplace. Let me show you the dining room here. I have these plants. I'm surprised they survived during this winter time. It is my philodendron and golden pothos, and then my Chinese evergreen. I got another golden pothos here, and my peace lily. They survived during this winter time. But I have some pottery pots here, some plantains that I'm going to be using for springtime because I'm going to get some more plants. I have my snake plant right there. The cube shelf here, and I just have all my cookbooks right there. And in here, I usually keep all my candles in here. And then at the bottom drawer is all of my seasonal towels and another cookbook. But yeah. So yeah, this is my dining room. It's not that big. It's simple. Don't mind that. And then that's the wall. I made those signs. But yeah, and then I have this here. I put all the water bottle here. And this is my buffet cabinet. And look at it, is 13 degrees here. But yeah, that's it. This is my living room. Really nice and bright because of the reflection in the window with all the snow outside. Okay, I was asked where did I get this this right here, this angel. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I think about 4 years ago during their spring and summertime. Those two candle pillars holder, those are from Hobby Lobby, and then those two Tupperware balls, they are from IKEA. And then this set is from Hobby Lobby. But yeah, I was asking where I got that angel from. It's supposed to be like one of those statue thing that you put in your garden, but I like it right here. Now the other thing that was I had someone ask me about my wall here. Okay, the Party of Five, this, and this are DIYs that I did. That Hello is from Hobby Lobby. That's from Hobby Lobby. This one here, that's from Walmart. These two are from Walmart. That one up there is from Hobby Lobby. The J is from Hobby Lobby. And that is a DIY that I did also. The arrow is from Hobby Lobby, and these three are from Hobby Lobby. And then the wreath, that is a DIY that I did. Okay, at my coffee bar area, I've put away all of the Valentine's decoration. As you can see, this is how it looks without any of those seasonal decors. I just kept my coffee bar simple and not too much going on. This coffee, cocoa, and tea, that's actually one of those chalkboard wood coffee cup from Target Dollar Spot that I got 3 years ago, including this black tray that's from Target Dollar Spot. Now what I did was, the black tray was just plain, it didn't have that coffee bar words on it. So the coffee bar words and all that coffee symbols and the heart and this coffee, cocoa, and tea, I just made and printed those out from my Cricut Explorer using those vinyl stickers, and also made those words that says decaf, regular, sugar, and stir spoons. These mason jars, they were from Target Dollar Spot, including the lids. The lids were separate. It didn't come with those mason jar. The mason jar came with like a galvanized steel lids, but these were sold separately. I found those at Target Dollar Spot. This clock here, that's from Hobby Lobby. I added the mini yellow roses stems from Dollar Tree. I inserted into this milk jar. That's from also Dollar Tree. This coffee container canister, that's from Hobby Lobby. This coffee bar sign, that is from Magnolia, from Waco, Texas. My daughter-in-law took me there last year and I got that coffee bar, and then that coffee bar sign. Okay, and then this coffee makes me awesome, that's from Dollar Tree. And then on the wall I have this, that one is from Dollar Tree. This is also from Target Dollar Spot. So that, the black tray, and the coffee chalkboard, coffee mug wood, I got those from Target Dollar Spot at the same time. Now on my pantry door I have this greenery wreath. That is a DIY that I did. And then above my pantry I have this pantry sign that I made like 3 years ago. Of course I used my Cricut Explorer. I made and printed out the vinyls on that. And then I wanted to show you this. This is my little dishwasher magnet thing. You can't add any magnet on that actually. So this is just one of those circle wood that comes in a package from Walmart, and I just found this image and I cut it up and Mod Podged it onto this circle wood, and like I said, I Mod Podged it on there and then Mod Podged it again, so that way you'll have that matte finish look, and then added some magnets. So that way I know when, or at least my family knows when the dishes are dirty or clean inside the dishwasher. But yeah, that's about it. Again, thank you for taking the time of watching my quick vlog here. It's cold here. We still have snow. It's just trying to keep warm and busy. But anyways, I will see you guys again on my next video. Bye bye everyone. Take care and stay warm and stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.